everyone. So I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this with this palette right here, the Lilac Alot palette from Colourpop. And this palette is just so gorgeous. Purple has always been one of my absolute favorite colors, so I just felt the need to pick this up. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. So first off, I'm going to start off with the NYX eyeshadow primer. I love using this if I want my eyeshadow to pop, and it works really, really well for me. I hear a lot of people say it creases on them. If you apply it with your finger, it definitely helps that not crease. I'm going to go in with this purple shade down here and then just work that right on the outer corner, I guess you could call it, and then just kind of bringing that in. I don't know, really had to explain it. You guys can just see how I'm using it. I'm just packing that on. And then I'm going to go in with this purple shade that is the deepest purple in this palette, and then just deepen up that outer corner and then just do kind of windshield wiper motions and just blend that out. This look is super, super easy. I'm going to do like a halo eye with it, so I'm going to bring that shadow in onto the lid just a bit more. And then with a smaller brush, I'm really packing that purple on to deepen just a bit more. And then I'm going to go in with my fingers and I'm going to use this very pretty like shimmer shade and then just pack that right on the middle part of the lid to create this like halo eye, and this just really makes the look pop. And then of course going in with that smaller brush and blending out those harsh lines. I'm going to grab the Colourpop liner, the black liner, and then just put this on my tight line and then put it on my lower lash line. I hardly ever put liner on, but I kind of felt like it today. So I'm going to go in with these, well, I'm going to go in, sorry, I totally thought I was doing something else at this point, but I'm putting some mascara on. So I'm going to put the black mascara on from Colourpop. Usually this burns my eyes the first few times that I've used it, but this time I used it, it didn't, and I just absolutely love how full and like lengthening this helped out my top lashes. So yeah, I'm gonna add that purple color just right to the bottom lashes, and then I'm gonna go in with this light color and then really just like diffuse that out. I really enjoy this palette, guys. I just enjoy Colourpop in general. Their products are amazing. They blend out amazing. I never have any issues with them. It's just so crazy to me how many products they come out with like every week pretty much. So I'm going to go in with the Colourpop mascara that came out with this launch. It's the, I'm not quite sure what it's called, I apologize, but it's the purple mascara, and I just thought it would be so pretty to put that on a lower lash line. And then I am going to put a little rhinestone. I got these from the Halloween store. They really do stay on. These stayed on for hours, and I didn't even apply any eyelash glue or anything, so I highly recommend these. I had to do a purple just to kind of just keep this look purple, I guess you can say, but you can do any color you want. Then I'm gonna go in with the shade that I put on the middle of the lid and then just highlight my brow bone. I am telling you guys right now, my brows do not match my hair or anything like that. Now that my hair is like a grayish color and the bottoms are purple, this is the last time I'm going to be doing my brows brown like that. I'm going to be starting to fill them in with like some gray eyeshadow. It's been looking a lot better. So yeah, don't worry about that. Eyebrows are still work in progress, but here's a finished look. Really hope you guys enjoyed this. It was super easy, super simple. If you like seeing these videos, be sure you let me know down below. Keep on watching, guys. I so appreciate it. I should have a giveaway coming up very, very soon. Bye.
I'm still waiting for the answers to the universe, waiting for someone to wake me